Hello, my name is Walter the Wizard, and I'm going to let you in on some sorcery. This is better than any spell you've ever heard of. It's better than being able to fly, better than becoming invisible, better than teletransportation. I'm going to show you how to solve word problems. First, let's open up the magic problem-solving toolbox. These tools are all that you need to solve any word problem. So, anytime you're faced with a problem, just think of the magic toolbox and take out a tool with your mind. Let's check out an example. There are 3 trays of cookies. Each tray holds 6 cookies. How many people can be served if each person eats 2 cookies? First, let's choose a strategy. How about we draw a picture? Now, let's draw the 3 trays. Then, we want to draw the 6 cookies on each tray. Since each person is getting 2 cookies, I'm going to circle groups of 2. Now, let's look at the math. We drew 3 trays of 6, so that's 3 times 6, and then we broke them up into groups. When you split things into groups, you're dividing, so we would need to divide by 2. 3 times 6 gives us 18, and then 18 divided by 2 is 9. So our answer is 9 cookies. Let's try another example. Mrs. Diaz bought cases of markers for her art class. She bought 5 cases of markers. Each case contained 20 markers. All of the markers were given out to students. Each student received 4 markers. How many students received markers? Well, I know that she bought 5 cases with 20 markers in each of them. A total of 5 times 20, which is 100 markers. Let's make a table. We're looking for when she has 100 markers. If there were 5 students and they each got 4 markers, that would be 20. If there were 10 students and they each got 4 markers, that would be 40. 15 would be 60. 20 would be 80. 25 would be 100. There it is, 100 markers. So there must have been 25 students. Let's explore the math. First, I multiplied 5 times 20 to get the 100 total markers. And then I was checking 4 markers times how many people are going to equal 100. Well, that's the same as just dividing, so I would divide by 4. So my equation would be 5 times 20 divided by 4. And since 5 times 20 is 100, and 100 divided by 4 is 25, my answer is 25. 25 students. Let's look at the next problem. Coach Barrett bought 5 boxes of baseballs. Each box contains 3 baseballs. He wants to give each of the 6 team members as many baseballs as possible and keep the rest. How many baseballs did Coach Barrett keep? Let's act this one out. We have 5 boxes, and there are 3 baseballs in each box. There are 6 team members, so now let's distribute the baseballs. Let's figure out what's happening mathematically. 5 boxes of 3 baseballs would be 5 times 3. Then we have to divide them among the players, so that's divided by 6. Well, 5 times 3 is 15, then 15 divided by 6. But 6 doesn't go into 15 evenly. We know it goes into 15 2 times, but that would be 12, so that means there's 3 left over. So in our problem, each player got 2 baseballs, and there were 3 remaining. So that means Coach kept 3 baseballs. Go forth and remember to use your tools and the problem-solving steps to approach each problem, casting them under your spell, and behold the solutions you will find. Now, if only I could find a spell that would cook me some dinner. Problem solving makes me hungry. Good luck.